Hi Leos, how are you? And welcome to your mid-April love reading. This is for my gorgeous Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, Mars, and Saturn. Why not? Like I always say, dear souls, please don't put yourself just into your sun box. Ooh, walking away. Check out your other placements. You never know what you might resonate with. And if it's not April 2021 and you clicked on this reading, you are guided here by your angels and spirit guides, intuition, whatever it is. Remember, there are no accidents. There are only synchronicities. Oh, coincidences, right? Yeah, or that. But yeah, it's everything's connected. We are all connected. Remember, dear souls. In speaking of being connected and oneness, when we improve ourselves during these readings, when we learn something, when we work on ourselves, right? We expand our consciousness, which makes us what? More loving, more caring, more giving. And when we become that which we truly are, our love and light energy, and we start vibrating so high, guess what? It's contagious. We shine our light to others and they shine theirs, and that's how the collective grows and improves and expands, and all that glorious, yummy, beautiful thing. So yeah, let's do this. Yes, we have fun here, but most importantly, we improve ourselves, because it starts within us all. Let's go. All right, we went deep. Well, we're about to go even deeper. Ayo. Oh, and now we're not. My jokes. Let's go. What is my Leo crosswatcher? Whoever clicked on this reading, welcome. If you're new, my name is Svetlana. We have fun, but we learn. Let's go. You can do both. You can do both. Let's go. Leo, 10 of Wands, gorgeous drop. What did I just say? Working on your inner self, dropping what doesn't serve your higher good anymore. Beautiful ending. Something has come to a close. You're realizing, yo, I'm not carrying this anymore. Neither do I have the energy to waste on this, or do I have the time, whatever it is. You're done ski. You're done ski. Your challenge here is the Lovers. Okay, harmony. Could be a little off balance. We'll see. Knight of Wands. Oh, could be dealing with, well, we got Gemini for the Lovers, and we got Leo, Sagittarius, and Aries now. 5 of Swords. Okay. King of Swords could have been dealing with an air sign, Libra, Gemini, or Aquarius. Oh, options. You got options coming in. That's why you're like, yo, I have so much I need to drop in order. Sometimes, remember, your souls, when we carry old energy, old beliefs, whatever it is, right? We do not see the cups right in front of us. And what I love, I'm not going to be surprised when we clarify the 10 of Wands, if it comes out in the other deck. The one in that deck is him carrying them right in front of his face, blurring out and his vision, so he can't even see where he's going. So this is, yeah, exactly. You cannot see when you're when you feel burdened. You can't see these cups in front of you. Let's go. 7 of Swords. Okay, so we got a lot of swords. Leo, you are up here. I need you to come down here. Tower moment. Okay. 4 of Cups and 3 of Cups. What's your overall energy, please? 2 of Pentacles. All right, it's decision time. You are wondering, what cup serves me? What cup serves me? No longer them. Whatever it was before, you are now starting to focus on yourself and on your growth. And you're coming into your power, dear souls. We got the Magician here. You're dealing with a Virgo or Scorpio. You're manifesting. You're getting out. This happened. Tower moment could have been caused by someone not being honest, sneaking out unexpectedly, ghosting. Whatever it was a strong connection. We got a soulmate connection here on deck. And yeah, you're ready to drop it. it's been heavy, it's been painful, it's been whatever you're going through or about to go through. This could have been months, whatever time frame it is. It's coming to an end. You're finally putting this to an end. But guess what? When you start manifesting, when you start working on yourself, guess what happens, universe? Someone comes back in. Look who comes back in with an offer. And remember, Knight of Swords is what? It's a very flighty in and out energy. And there you are looking at the offer and being disappointed. You're just not into it. You're not into it, but you are gonna take a second to think about it. So let's clarify, because yeah, they're coming in. Let's see, what's the Seven of Swords? What is the Seven of Swords here, please, for my Leos? Whoa. Eight of Cups. Yeah, someone walked away completely. Maybe you didn't get an explanation. Maybe you didn't get closure. By the way, closure does not exist. It's in order to heal yourself, in order to expand, in order to elevate, you don't need anyone's closure. You have everything in you already. So please realize that if you're waiting for closure from someone, you give yourself that feeling. You tap into your own love and realize, oh, it's nothing external that I need, it's already internal. King of Cups. Oh my God, okay, so there was love. And Queen of Cups. Nine of Swords. Someone's in the Nine of Swords energy right now over whatever transpired, whatever happened. Five of Pentacles, feeling left out. Oof. Someone is in really like low vibrational energy. But look, we have a counterpart. So there was a lot of love here on both ends. We got King and Queen of Cups. But someone walked away. Someone literally snuck away, walked away, no explanation, whether it was not being honest. This is what caused the Tower moment. Okay, so what is the Tower? Oh, I feel so bad. The Tower, please, for Leo. Three of Cups. Was there more than two people? Because look, I'm looking at, let's flip the script. Your end, their end. There's three people on this card, and they're falling into this water, carelessly falling, guessing. Guess what happens? It creates a splashback, hence Tower. The ground got a little too moist and wet here, and what the foundation is not strong enough, the Tower fell. So take that as it resonates. We got Four of Pentacles, and we got the Hangman. Oh my Lord, someone's holding on. Someone's holding on to you, them, or whatever energy it is, and it could be you. This might be keeping you bound, Leo. Notice where you need to change your perspective, because remember, our memory, when we replay something, right? When we replay moments, conversations from the past, it alters. Every time you remember it, it's different. The ego could be feeding you information that never happened. So please try to see it from a different perspective. A lot of you need to flip your perspective. You see, we have light and night, dark and light. You need to okay, a lot of you need to see it from their point of view. A lot, you know how people always say, oh, you don't see things from my side of you, and you're like, yeah, you do. I mean, yeah, I do, kind of. But honestly, it takes a major shift in perspective to step outside of yourself, outside of ego, right? And to see someone's life situation, to see it from, because remember, that's the thing, everyone has a different universe. Everyone has a different perception of the world. And if you're do you see he's so bound, he can't even see? There's no eye holes, there's nothing. If you're so bound in your own reality and you're unwilling to let go of your old way of thinking, Leo, this is what's going to keep you stagnant here, buddy. This is what's going to keep you from accepting cups or seeing offers in a different way. Okay. Ooh. This is what's going on. This is what's going on. Someone needs a shift in perspective. 7 of Cups. The Fool came out. We got Pisces. 2 of Wands. And you got 8 of Pentacles. So what you want to do mid-April, dear Leo, what you want to do is embark on that Fool energy, of the energy of trusting your decisions, trusting your intuition. You have to start listening to your intuition. This way you can make decisions on where you want it to be, because you got 2 of Pentacles here and you got 2 of Wands. You're neither going left or right. You're not seeing, once again, there's a lot of you're not seeing light or dark. You're kind of very narrow. You're having, not sure who needs to hear this, a very narrow point of view, and universe is encouraging you to tap into that childlike innocence, that anything's possible. You need to visualize, maybe do a vision board, whatever it is. You need to expand your way of thinking. Thank you. You have to see all these cups. Somehow you're just seeing 1 cup. Ooh, yes, you guys. 2s are what? Duality. That means there's no linear. There's never just one line, like your life situation. It's not linear. It goes, it spreads. It's like roots of a tree. And that's what you need to see, dear souls. That's when you can start building, right? When you know, a lot of you don't know what you want yet too. That's causing a lot of confusion. A lot of you need to figure out what you want to build on. Whether it's this person coming back with the offer, you need to be certain. Keyword here is certainty, dear souls, of what it is you want. Yeah, you have to get clarity on that. And that's meditation. Let's see what the 4 of Cups is, please, for my Leo. 2 of Pentacles again. You got the Emperor here, Aries. Ooh, yeah, like I said, fire sign, Aries, Sag, or Leo here, but mainly we're getting Aries. 9 of Pentacles. All right, so someone does want to build with you. They see you working on yourself. 9 of Pentacles is here. That's confidence. That's building what you, that's knowing what you want to build on. And this Aries knows what they want to build on. They know what it is, and this is what's throwing you off. This is what's gonna be your decision. Harmony in the relationship. Do you want to build on this, right? Because it could be their vision, right? Oh my God, vision. Dude, I've said that word like so many times this reading. Changing your vision, seeing things from their point of view, what it is, coming into balance. This could also be it. Maybe you got, what's lovers? Yes, it's a soulmate connection. All right, move on. Great. But what is it also? It's balancing out your masculine and your feminine energy. Leo, not pointing fingers, not doing anything, but sometimes the ego, right? Coming back to ego, will make you see, like I said, a very narrow point of view. So a lot of you are in the masculine, where it's like, well, this is my way. This is masculine energy is action. Feminine energy is receiving. So flip the script how you need to, but you need to balance it out. A lot of you are acting more than you are receiving, or receiving more than you are giving. So here the challenge could be finding a balance in this relationship, in this situationship, whatever it is. It could be work, it could be family, but putting balance into things. Let's see the 3 of Pentacles, please. Because 3 of Pentacles is working, teamwork. Opening up, thank you, to teamwork. You could be very independent. 6 of Cups. 9 You're guarded. We got the Tower twice. We got Six of Cups, the past, right? And you're guarded. It must have been, I don't even want to, we got 2 Tower. unless, you know, guys, when Tower moments happen, what do I always say? They happen for us, not to us, to give us the ability to expand our consciousness, to see the world more, right? To untie us from our narrow point of view. Tower is also what? Spiritual awakening, dear souls. So throughout whatever transpired in your life situation, this is leading you to a spiritual awakening. This is leading you to seeing a whole new world, a shift in reality. So please, unguard your heart, unguard your heart chakra, crown chakra, whatever chakras you're guarding, because you're vulnerable. You need to work with those emotions. You need to do inner child healing, shadow work. You need to heal yourself, because when you heal yourself, this is what happens. You let the light, spiritual light, this is your higher self coming in, right? And breaking your narrow view. Look, there's no windows in this tower. There's no windows. So like there is no holes here for this hangman to see. You need to open up. Let this channel, thank you. Channel your higher self. Channel your spirit. Talk to your intuition. Listen. This will help you on guard your heart. This would make you want to work with others, get your confidence back, balance out your energy. That's gorgeous, because someone's coming back. Someone wants to work on this, but it's up to you to be a new you, to be a new version of you, to be a more open-minded, a true you, your higher self, to act out of your higher self. What does that mean? That means to vibrate where you see the goodness, that every cup is beautiful, is gorgeous, it's leading you on the right path, and to tap into your childlike. And this is gorgeous reading. This is a juicy, gorgeous reading. This is all the walls you build up throughout the years, and your inner child wants to get out. Your spirit, do you see he's holding a wand? That's spirit and tarot. He wants to go towards the light, the sun, the happiness, the joy, the contentment. He wants to, oh, Leo, you need to free your soul. Oh, that's beautiful. You need to free your soul. Open up to love again. Open up to the goodness of the world. Drop. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. You go from 9 of Wands, guarding yourself. Look at her. Going, no, resisting, refusing, right? The R words, rejecting, thank you, to finally getting tired, realizing this is not life situation. This is not how you live. Your soul doesn't want to hold on to old energies, to whatever regrets you have, whatever is keeping you down. It wants to, I want to break free. God knows I want to break free. This is it. Break your spirit free. Enjoy life. Tap into your childlike self. And love, dear souls. Love, learn, and elevate. That's when you start making these decisions from the goodness of your heart and your higher self. Once you let the light in. Thank you so much. Leo, beautiful reading. Best of luck. If this resonated, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, hit the bell. But most importantly, dear souls, keep working on yourselves, evolve, and enjoy every single moment. Thank you, and namaste.